Hello everyone. So we keep on getting lots of questions with why Blizzard isn't working, and here's how you install it properly and how it should work, okay? So the first thing you do is you get your key and redeem it. So basically, I'm just going to generate myself a key and redeem it so you know how it works. I messed up, 1 second. Here we go. That one's here, so don't even bother, okay? And what you do first is you redeem your key, like that. Easy peasy. Once you've redeemed your key, you whitelist yourself. So you get your ID from Roblox. I've got my Roblox ID right here. This is my ID. You just go to your Roblox profile, go into the URL and find the set of numbers. What you do is you type in this command and then your thing, your ID, and I've already whitelisted myself, so there's no point doing it again, but that's how you do it. Next off, you get the models. There's two ways of doing it. There's like a quick installation pack somewhere here by JC with the money. 1 second. Here we go. This is a simple way of putting it into a game, and basically you just download it and insert it into your game. Okay, okay. I'm gonna quickly find it and insert it into my game. 1 second. You could, one way of doing it is clicking insert from file and then finding the actual model itself. So here we go. We open it, and boom, we've got the installation package. It's pretty simple. Just read. You can read this if you like, but basically, you ungroup this whole thing. Then you take these to the starter pack. Easy peasy. You ungroup it, and boom, those are the tools that you'll be using if you decide to use them. Then replicate the storage, ungroup, what's that? Okay, 1 second. Yeah, simple ungroup. That's done. Server storage, ungroup. It's really quite easy. Workspace, ungroup. This is star player. What's the word? Scripts. Scroll down all the way to here. Starter player. Star player. Yeah. Star character scripts. They're different ones, by the way. And where is the other one? Group. You can. We'll take this up there in a second. Here we go. Ungroup and player scripts. You just scroll down. Here you go. Boom. Ungroup. Really simple. And the last one. Here we go. Ungroup. Okay. So you've whitelisted yourself. You've installed everything. There's one thing left to go that many people forget. You go into game settings and you turn HTTP requests on, and then it should work. So we'll save this game. Save publish to Roblox as a demonstration, I guess. 1 second. Demonstration. We can make a public place, create place, no big deal, super easy. Next, done. I forgot to get the link, but okay. That's pretty much it, and it should work. Let me see if I can get a Windows capture. 1 second. Window capture. Chrome. No, that's not working. Well, yeah, that's literally it. Thanks for watching. Bye.